Today I'm going to show you how I make my avocado toast. It's keto-friendly and so yummy, and it's easy and quick to make. Here are the ingredients. I use this flat bread from Outer Aisle. It's low carb because it's made out of cauliflower. Only 2 grams of carb, but 9 grams of protein per bread. It has cheese in it, so it's already flavored. I prefer the jalapeno flavor. It's not that hot and spicy actually. I just like that it blends with the avocado and the vegetables that I put on top. Next is the avocado. I actually use the guacamole because it's already flavored. I just use the mild one. Then for the toppings, I like cherry tomatoes. I use 8 of them. Then red radish, maybe 3 or 4 small ones. Scallions, maybe 1 or 2 stalks. Just use the green leafy part. And mint herbs, maybe 10 leaves. And some black pepper. Are you on a keto diet? Try this nutritional spray that supports a healthy keto diet regimen. For more info, visit the website link in the description below. So, to prepare our veggie toppings, slice the radish into thin circles. Then slice the cherry tomatoes in half lengthwise. And then chop the scallions and mince the mint herbs. For some, the bread or cauliflower bread is too soft, but for me it's fine. So put in the toast and set it to 3. If you want it toasted more, you can set it to 4. It's up to you. Let's go ahead and put that in. Make sure you arrange it correctly so it will not get stuck in there. Toasty. Now we got the bread toasted. Now let's put the guac or avocado and the toppings. Spread the avocado or the guac on the toast. You don't need to use salt in this recipe because the guac and the bread has already salt in them. They're already flavored. Then I usually put the mint herb first, followed by the scallions, then the radish, and tomatoes. Lastly, the black pepper. There you go, avocado or guac toast. Okay, let's try this. It's really good, just the way I like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy recipe videos.